Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Samuel Adams. Today we got a 2016 Honda Odyssey and we're gonna get this oil changed. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need an oil filter, of course. You're gonna need the oil. We got some Mobil 10W20. We're gonna go old school with the oil filter wrench. So we're gonna go old school. Y'all know how that works. And you're gonna need 17 millimeter socket 3/8 drive. And you're gonna need a 3/8 drive. I'll probably put this 3-inch extension on here too, just to give it a little leverage. So let's get this car jacked up and let's get started. Okay, as you can see, got this jacked up right on the frame of the car with a jack. And we're gonna put our jack stands right here on the frame here. And that's about it. Okay, I kind of hate how Honda got this oil filter on there. So what I like to do, I like to take some rags and just set it up here. Set them rags right there. Then we're gonna get our oil filter wrench and rip this side off of here. Grab it with your hand and be ready. There we go. See that? I hate that. Here we go. Just wipe this a little bit. Wipe this a little bit. And guess what? I forgot my oil filter. Let's get this out of here. Need that right there. Okay, let me go get the oil filter and I'll come back and show you how to put that on there. Okay, now it's a good time to change your gloves. Get these nasty gloves off. Let's get some nice fresh gloves on. Get that oil filter down there and get that oil filter on there. filter. match them up. See, 110, 110. Good. Oil filter. Just get a little oil on your finger. And just go around like that. And let's get this oil filter down there. Okay, now let's get these rags out of here. Do a little wiping up like that. Real good. Now we're gonna take the oil filter and get that screwed on. There we go. Now what you want to do on your oil filter, just go hand tight. You know, wipe your hands. You can grab a rag and just go hand tight. With a rag a little slippery. Just go hand tight with all your might. That's okay right there. I'll wipe one more time. Okay. Now, the bottom part of this is done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move back up top. I'll be right back. All right, so let's get this oil in here. You can see it, that's your oil filler. Let's get a nice long funnel put in here. I know this shadow is killing y'all, but we're gonna go to about here, and then we're gonna check. So let's go to about here, and then we'll check it. So let's get some oil in here. Got your mobile one. Let's make sure everything's flowing real good. Know that shadow killing you. Yep, everything's flowing in there real good. So let's just go. Get this mobile in here. Little bowl. Let's leave it right there. I'm gonna go set this oil over here. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna start this boy up and let it run a minute or two. Let it run a minute or two. So your service do light on now. I'm gonna show you what to do about that. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna go take a peek underneath. Make sure there's nothing dripping. Everything is good down there. So let's get a rag and let's pull that dipstick out. Get a rag and pull this dipstick is over here. And let's wipe it first. Put it back in there. And let's pull it out and check it. Okay, let's check that one more time. Okay, she's definitely still low. Let's put some more in here. here and check it again. Yeah, she's still low. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on flat ground and I'll be right back. All right, I got it on level ground. Let's check this oil one more time. And as you can see, it is perfect. So if I just stick back, take our oil cap, we're gonna wipe that off. The oil cap back down. Put up our oil. And let's move inside. And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do about that oil reset light. All right, let's see if we can get this reset. So what you wanna do first, you wanna press your red start button twice. Then you're gonna bring up the menu. I hope you can get a good view of this. Once it comes up, hope you can get a good view of this. So now we're gonna go to settings. And then we're gonna go to vehicle settings. Then we're gonna go over, see on top it says, I don't know if you can see it, but it says meter settings. We're gonna hit that. No, we're gonna go back. Gonna go all the way over to maintenance. See, maintenance reset. You're gonna hit that button. Then you go engine oil. We're gonna go down. And we're gonna go down to reset. And you hit reset. And then it's gonna ask you, do you really want to reset it? It don't really say that, but I'm just saying it. And then you just go over to reset and hit reset. And boom, you're back to 100%. And that's all it is. And then you just go back, and back to your clock. And that's how you reset your oil. So there you go, guys. If you follow those instructions, you should be able to change your own oil. Stop giving these people that money. Go out, get you a few tools, and watch a couple of videos, and get your butt under that car and get that oil changed. Till next time, I'm Samuel Adams.